Okay, so today is the 30th. The first part of our opener, we're going to solve each of the following. We're going to show all of our work by circling our variable, draw our line of equality, box our final answer, and show an inverse operation. So, first one here, we have w minus 9 equals negative 2. Let's just go around the room. Who wants the first one? There's 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 people. So if you want an easy one to be over and done with, I would go first. Hannah. Okay, keep going.
And then whenever you do the one side, you actually do the other. So that'd be plus 9 on both sides.
Because I want to get the w by itself. Perfect.
And then you have to write the variable equals sign.
So w equals. And then negative 2 plus 9, positive 7. Any questions on this one here? Okay, we're going to go to the right one. Tamara. We did this together. You know this.
Circle the variable, draw the line of equality. First, you divide 3 divided by 3.
Good. Why do you know it's divide? How do you know it's divide?
Because negative 3x, the x is next to the 3, which you multiply, which inverse operation turns into this operation.
Perfect. So I'm going to divide. And what's the number I want to get rid of here?
The 3?
What's with that 3, though?
A negative.
The negative. So whatever I do it on one side, I do it to the other. Okay, bring down my variable, x, my equal sign on my line. And then what's 21 divided by negative 3?
Negative 7.
Perfect. Negative 7. Okay, Hannah's done. Tamara's done.
How do you know it's divided?
Because that 3 is touching the x. Anytime a number is touching a variable or right up touch in parentheses, it means to multiply. That's just another way. So instead of writing it like this, it's just easier to write it like this. They both mean to multiply. Did you add it?
Yeah.
Yep, that's a very, very common mistake. Okay, bottom left. Who do we have next? You all are going to participate today. All right, John.
We multiply negative 4.
What are you doing?
Oh, no, stop. No. Circle y.
Okay.
Sorry. Line of equality.
Okay, now we're ready to go.
Now we multiply negative 4.
Good. Make sure you multiply by negative 4. That cancels whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay, keep going.
Gonna make a box. No. Yeah.
Okay.
And then equal sign. We put the y and negative 16 times negative 4 equals positive 64.
Y'all agree? I do too. Nice job. AJ. You said, okay.
And then you minus 15 on both sides.
Do I change the side my variable is on? No, right? I just bring my variable straight down. I still have people wanting to switch that variable on sides. Don't switch sides. Okay, 14 minus 15, negative 1, and I box it. Good. Do we all have these down? Can I just a second write these down? Did any of you guys start the back side? First one is, dang, AJ! You got it! Nice. That's the answer. You gotta show your work.
That's what Deontay did today.
Is that what he's doing?
Yeah. That's why Deontay got a 1.
Yeah.
Remind me, I wish I had my, so I do grocery pickup. Grocery pickup is Friday after school, but I have a bag of candy to bring to school. I wish I had it now. I'd give you a little reward. That's nice. I even like it that I see your work. That makes me even happier. Okay. Oh, come on. Did you just say really because he showed us work?
No, I said I like candy.
Oh, okay. Me too. Lots of candy. Okay, totally off task. Sorry, we're recording. But favorite candy. What's everyone's favorite candy? Super fast.
Hershey.
Just plain Hershey?
I like Hershey.
Hershey's.
One candy. That's the only candy you got to eat the rest of your life. What would you pick? Hurry up.
Starburst.
Starburst?
Hershey.
You're like my daughter.
Skittles.
Ugh. Ooh, yeah. I am now obsessed with the peanut butter Snickers. Or the peanut butter Butterfingers. I know I only said one. Okay, sorry. I'm hungry. Can you tell? I want my lunch. Order of operations. We are going to use PEMDAS. Now, I keep saying PEMDAS. I'm going to write it right here. Can you all see that okay? So when I say PEMDAS, do you guys all understand what each letter stands for? Okay, so again, the P parentheses, it means we go to those parentheses first. So if we're going to those parentheses first, I'm looking right in here, and I'm going to solve what's inside that parentheses. What does it tell me to do?
4 plus 5.
Which equals?
9.
Now, when I bring that 9 down, I then bring down all my other work. I am a very visual learner. I have to write things down step by step. It just makes more sense to me like that. So then I write the rest of my problem. So I bring the rest of it all down. And then I go back up to my PEMDAS. My next letter is E. E stands for exponent. Do I have an exponent? Yeah. 9 squared. That means you're going to take 9 times itself twice. So 9 times 9 is 81 minus 2 times 5. So all I'm doing is writing, I'm solving, and then I'm rewriting my problem. So now I have MD. MD stands for multiply and divide. You do those at the same time. So do I have any multiplication or division there?
Multiplication.
Yeah, what is it?
5 times 2.
Which is?
10.
So then I bring down the rest of my problem, which is 81 minus 10. My last step here is just to simply finish solving. So what's 81 minus 10?
79.
Oops, I forgot to change. And that's my answer. In all honesty, and I didn't do it, but every time you drop down to write a new equation, you need to, or a new expression, excuse me, you should put equal signs to show that you're starting a new step. I didn't do it when I solved today. I just went through and added them now. But you should do that every time you go to write a new expression. Now, this one, there's more numbers. When people tend to see more numbers, they stress out. But as long as you follow order of operations, you'll be fine. So order of operations says to start with the parentheses. So look in this parentheses. Now, I have more than 2 numbers in here, right? So I'm going to have to do order of operations within the parentheses. Now, you know what? It's crazy. You can have parentheses within parentheses. Do we have parentheses within parentheses here? Nah. So then I go to E, exponent. Do I have an exponent here?
Yes.
Yeah. It's 3 to the 3rd power. What's 3 to the 3rd power equal?
27.
So I'm going to write that and bring that down. Then I'm going to rewrite everything else just how it's supposed to be. Minus 2 times 1, parentheses. Are my parentheses gone? No. So I still need to work within my parentheses. So I have 2 operations here. I have subtraction and multiplication. So subtraction and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, which comes first? Multiplication. What am I multiplying together here? Okay, I'd love to hear some other voices too. I want you all answering. I'm not going to call anybody because it is a hard one, but I want to hear more than just one voice. So we said 2 times 1 is?
2.
So I'm, just because it's a simple problem like that, I'm going to rewrite it like that. So now my last step is to do what? In the parentheses. Subtract. What do I get?
Oh, 27 minus 2, 25.
So when I go to rewrite my problem, I'm going to have 1/5. Can I just write 25 next to it like this? No. What's that saying? This 1/5 here is saying I'm going to do what? It's next to parentheses. So it means I'm going to do what with it? What operation? Multiply. So I'm going to take 1/5 times the answer of whatever we get from all this stuff here. So it's 1/5 times 25, and then I rewrite the rest of my problem, minus 25 divided by 5, or over 5. Now, I've done parentheses. Now I'm ready to come on the outside. Now, when I say I've done parentheses, is this the type of parentheses I'm talking about? No. When I'm talking about parentheses, it means there's a group of numbers within there. Is there a group of numbers in there? Nah, just a 25. So that means to multiply. So, I don't have any more exponents. Do I have any multiplication or division? Or both?
Oh,
Yeah, I have both. I have 1/5 times 25, and I have 25 divided by 5. I'm going to do those at the exact same time. Well, not at the exact same time, but in the exact same step. So in your calculators, you all have a fraction button. So you're going to take one ABC button, 5, times 25. So 1/5 times 25. When you do that, you end up with 5. And then I'm going to put my subtraction sign, and then I'm going to do my division problem. What's 25 divided by 5?
5.
And then your last step is to solve. 0. Good.